I used to do theater.
Really?
Yeah, I did theater for many years, so I used to be able to do at least my makeup serviceably.
Yeah.
What's different about building a product from scratch is that you get to imagine anything. So in a nutshell, I think XD is really meant to communicate. Communicate faster, communicate complex experiences, communicate interactive experiences for screens. What's really cool about working here in Adobe Design is that we're sitting next to designers who are working on Dimension, the future of Lightroom, and we're talking on a daily basis, just like tossing ideas back and forth about how we utilize assets to really connect those workflows and to create brand new experiences. I just love getting out there and just showing off things like Repeat Grid. I don't think I can demonstrate Repeat Grid enough. I'm lucky I still get excited by it, but so does everybody else I show it to. So.
Okay.
One of the first lines of defenses is actually my son. He's 9 now. He designed a chat app. I think it was his first design in XD. He really wanted to design an app where you could message people. So I actually gave him very early builds of XD. It was kind of a letdown when he first used it because, again, there were a lot of even concepts and ideas that I had taken for granted that he just had no patience for. Or he actually asked me, like, why do I have to do it this way? I'm like, why do you have to do it that way? How could it be more streamlined? How could it be much more intuitive, much more contextual? I always love seeing what he creates in XD.